Euro dollar long-term forecast for the week of December 12th, fxempire.com. The euro dollar pair has been a focus of the markets for some time now. With the various debt issues in the region, it does make total sense that this is the case. Headlines have been pushing the markets around lately, and many traders have been chopped up in this pair. The EU summit came out with a solution on Friday, but it really wasn't the fiscal integration that the S&P, for example, S&P ratings agency called for, and in fact has even threatened a downgrade of all of the EU nations that can still effectively be downgraded, as well as the EFSF bonds. If they do downgrade it, there is a chance that other rating agencies may follow, and if that's the case, we could see a real exodus. The level that we're currently at is just above the 131 to 130 area, which we see as massive support, and that really is the area that the bears are going to have to tangle with. 135, though, still continues to be massively resistive. With that in mind, we expect choppy motion going sideways for a while, and the fact that the Friday reaction was fairly muted to this EU summit really causes for concern for the bulls, even if we are sitting at major support. The 140 is probably where we would call a cap in this market. It's really like 138 to 140, but there's a band of resistance there that more than likely is going to be too strong for this market to eclipse anytime in the near future. And as such, we think that this will be more of a sideways market with a downward bias. But of course, we've got that massive 130 support level to break down through if we really want to gain some traction. With all this in mind, and the fact that we're getting close to the holidays, we could see sideways action with a couple of headlines mixed in, throwing the pair around, just like we've seen pretty much most of the year, as this trend of panic trading, followed by elation, should more than likely continue. But as things stand right now, as long as 135 holds as resistance, we are willing to sell rallies.